Welcome to our video on principles and practices of human resources management. In this video, we'll be discussing Chapter 2, which focuses on the role of managers in human resources management. In this lesson, we will discuss: who is manager, managerial level, managerial pyramid, managerial skills. So, who is a manager? In simple terms, a manager is someone who is responsible for planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve organizational goals. In the context of human resources management, a manager is someone who is responsible for managing the human resources of an organization. Next, the managerial level. Managers can be found at various levels in an organization. At the top level, we have the executive management team, which includes the CEO, COO, and other high-level executives. Below them, we have middle-level managers, such as department heads and supervisors, who are responsible for managing a specific area or function. Finally, we have frontline managers, such as team leaders and shift supervisors, who are responsible for managing the day-to-day operations and employees. Then, managerial pyramid. These levels of management are often represented in what is called the managerial pyramid. At the top of the pyramid, we have the executive management team, who are responsible for setting the overall strategy and direction of the organization. In the middle of the pyramid, we have middle-level managers, who are responsible for translating the strategy into action and ensuring that their department or function is performing effectively. Finally, at the bottom of the pyramid, we have the frontline managers, who are responsible for implementing the plans and policies of their supervisors and ensuring that employees are performing their jobs effectively. Managerial skills. So, what skills do managers need to be effective in human resources management? According to research, there are three main categories of managerial skills: technical skills, interpersonal skills, and conceptual skills. Technical skills refer to the knowledge and expertise required to perform a specific job or function. Interpersonal skills refer to the ability to work effectively with others and build relationships. Finally, conceptual skills refer to the ability to think critically and understand the broader context in which an organization operates. In summary, managers play a critical role in human resources management, and their skills and expertise are essential for achieving organizational goals. By understanding the different levels of management, the managerial pyramid, and the skills required for success, we can better appreciate the important role that managers play in the field of human resources management. In the next video, we will discuss the 4 management styles. Thanks for watching.